In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check transfer envelopes in DocuSign, providing you with the complete 2025 guide to navigate this process with ease and confidence. To kick things off, first, let's head over to DocuSign. If you're using a computer, open up your web browser and type in the DocuSign URL. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you're already logged in, you're a step ahead. Ensuring you're on the home page is the best starting point. Once you're on the DocuSign homepage, the next thing you're going to do is look for the Admin button. It might be located at the top navigation bar. Clicking Admin is crucial because this section houses all the tools you'll need to manage your organization's DocuSign activities, including the transfer of envelopes. After you've clicked on Admin, take a look on the left-hand side where you'll find a menu. Here you're going to see an option labeled Users. Give that a click. Now, the Users section is quite important because it essentially serves as the directory for all individuals who have access to your DocuSign account. Understanding this area can be particularly beneficial if you are responsible for managing multiple people and their permissions. Next, you're going to look for the Actions button. It's typically associated with user management functions. Clicking on Actions will present you with several options. You want to focus on the one that deals with transferring envelopes. It's worth noting that knowing where to find the Actions button quickly is a huge time saver, especially when you're managing multiple tasks. Finally, you'll see transfer envelopes listed among these options. Select it, and this will allow you to manage the movement of envelopes from one user to another. This functionality is vital for ensuring continuity in document processing, especially if there's a change in personnel or if someone is going on leave. It allows you to ensure that any outstanding document-related responsibilities are effectively reassigned, minimizing any potential disruption in workflow. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily check and manage transfer envelopes in DocuSign. Remember, with DocuSign, maintaining organized and efficient document management is key, and understanding how to navigate the admin functions plays a critical role in this. Always feel free to revisit the steps as needed until you feel comfortable with the process. Thanks for watching today's guide, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials that make your digital document management easier.